Okay, so if you watched the last flight of this, it was the first test flight of this Eachine F16 50mm EDF jet kit, which I installed a pusher motor and prop on. Then if you watch that first test flight, you got to see how much power and flight time that you can get with this jet in this configuration as opposed to the EDF version on 3S or 4S. And if you saw the first flight, that's good, because I crashed it on the second test flight. It turned out to be a bad morning. But anyway, I got it put back together. It's not nearly as pretty as it was, but I think it will fly, and we're going to find out. So we will throw caution to the wind, literally, and I will meet you out there.
Okay, I have the repaired F16 with the pusher motor and prop out here. So, I'm wondering about doing a wingtip launch with it. Let's see. Get out here by the road. Not as much wind this morning as we have had. See what direction it is coming from. Okay, are we ready to try and launch this? Let's see. Well, that didn't work out. Looks like I need more throttle. So what damage we have now? Can we put it back in the air? That's the question. By God, I think we can. Alright, let's try that again. Put a little down elevator in it. It seemed like it wanted to climb. Alright, well, the wingtip launch was fine. Let's try it again. Well, I couldn't get on the stick. It was one of those deals. Ooh, good vertical. I've got my timer set for 4.5 minutes. Still feels like I need more elevator in it. I increased it a bit, but it's still not as responsive as I would like it. And it seems like on launch I need about 75% throttle. I did have a little torque roll on launch. Yeah, it really wants to nose down there in the turn, so I kind of think that I've got some asymmetrical movement on the ailerons Like the aileron is pushing up more than it's pushing down. Vertical. That looks pretty good. Bring it back this way. Yeah, vertical is not a problem. Nice fast roll rate. Get it out here where we can see it a little bit. I've got quite a bit of tuning to do, guys, but what do you think of the power now? Yeah, I definitely think that I have some asymmetrical movement on the ailerons. It seems to want to pull the nose down in a turn. I definitely need more elevator. But look at those huge loops and the climb. One failed launch. Whoa. Man, I almost ran out of elevator there. Okay, let's make a circuit. Check our directions. I'm really going to increase the elevator on this. Alright, it looks like we're free and clear to navigate. Elevator is just not nearly as responsive as it was. Alright, not a bad landing. But kind of a handful there. You know, no wonder it was so hard to control in that wind I was flying in last time. But yeah, I need some adjustment on the ailerons. I'm gonna have to measure those when I get back and see if they're pushing up more than they're pushing down, which is causing it to pull the nose down in the turn. Elevator, I've got to increase significantly from where it is right now. I almost ran out of elevator on that one turn. Well, I did run out of elevator. I had full elevator stick on it and was barely able to bring it back up. Thought I was going to nose it in there. But looks like the repairs worked okay. As a matter of fact, on that failed launch, I was kind of surprised. You know, gluing that nose back on, I figured when I went to pick it up, the nose would be broken off again, but it wasn't. So let's go over here and check the voltage on the cells. I had my timer set for 4.5 minutes. So I don't know exactly how long I had it in the air, but I was pretty much in the throttle the whole time, wasn't I? So let's see. See what our voltage is. Okay, I'll try to hold it up here so you can see it. Alright, yeah, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7. It's not bad. Not bad. I think I'll kick my timer up to 5 minutes on the next flight. So I'm going to make some adjustments on the elevator, and we'll see if we can get it back in the air again.
Thanks for watching us in the air.